Summer is getting hotter every year, and everywhere we look, we see carbonated drinks being sold for as low as 10 rupees. Companies market them as refreshing, tasty, and a perfect way to beat the heat. Because they're cheap and easily available, millions of people buy them every day. But the truth is, these drinks may cool your body for a moment while slowly harming your health. What many people have forgotten is that India already has powerful natural summer drinks that have been used for generations. These drinks are healthy, natural, and cost less than 10 rupee to make at home. So if you really want to beat the summer heat without compromising your health, here are 5 traditional summer drinks you can easily make at home. Lemon salt drink. The first drink is the most popular one, lemon salt drink, also known as Nimbu Pani. All you need is 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, a little sugar, and a glass of water. Just squeeze the lemon into the water, add salt and sugar, and mix well. This simple drink works like a natural electrolyte, helping your body recover from dehydration. It's refreshing, healthy, and usually costs only about 5 to 7 rupees to make. The second drink is buttermilk, chas Majjige. In North India it is called chas, and in Karnataka it is known as Majjige. Just mix curd with water, add a pinch of salt, and optionally some curry leaves or roasted cumin powder. Buttermilk is excellent for digestion and naturally cools the stomach during hot summer days. This traditional drink has been part of Indian meals for centuries and costs less than 8 rupees per glass. The third drink is a simple Jaggery energy drink. In many villages across India, people traditionally drank Jaggery mixed with water during summer. Just dissolve a small piece of Jaggery in water and add a pinch of roasted cumin powder. Jaggery provides natural minerals and energy, helping the body recover from heat and fatigue. And the best part is, this powerful drink can cost as little as 5 rupees. The fourth drink is the mint cooling drink. Mint is one of the best natural herbs for cooling the body. Simply crush fresh mint leaves, add lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and water, and mix well. The result is a refreshing drink that instantly cools your body during hot afternoons. It's light, healthy, and costs around 5 to 7 rupees to prepare. Since it's mango season, the fifth drink is a powerful traditional cooler, raw mango drink, also known as Panna. Boil a raw mango, extract the pulp, and mix it with water, salt, and Jaggery. This drink is famous for protecting the body from heat stroke and extreme summer heat. Even this refreshing mango drink costs less than 10 rupees to make. So instead of spending money on carbonated drinks that harm your health, try these simple natural drinks that have been used in India for generations. They are cheap, healthy, and perfect for beating the summer heat. Which one is your favorite summer drink? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe and share the video.